Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English for All, your friendly home for learning English. I am John, and I am so excited to be here with you today.
And I am Roxy. Hello to all of our listeners around the world. We are so happy to have you with us again. Whether you are driving, cooking, or just relaxing at home, thank you for choosing to practice your English with us.
Today is a very special episode. We are going to focus on the absolute foundation of social interaction, small talk and greetings.
That is right, John. Small talk is the simple conversation we have when we meet people, maybe at the bus stop, at the office, or when we meet a friend on the street. Some beginners feel nervous about starting a conversation in English, but today we are going to make it simple.
We will learn the exact phrases to start a conversation, keep it going, and end it politely. We will speak slowly, we will repeat the important words, and we will use real-life examples so you can feel confident.
Exactly. This episode is all about progress. You are here to learn, and we are here to support you. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Before we begin, please take 1 second to click that like button and subscribe to English for All. When you subscribe, you join our global community of learners, and you will never miss a practice session.
That's right. Go ahead and hit subscribe right now. Your support really helps us make more lessons for you. You are already doing a great job just by being here today. Are you ready? Let's start with our first practice segment.
Okay, Roxy, let's start with the greeting. A lot of learners only know, "Hello, how are you?" But there are many better, more natural ways to start. Let's listen to a natural interaction. Hi, Roxy. How are things?
Oh, hi, John. I am pretty good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Okay, listeners, let's look at what happened there. John said, "Hi, Roxy. How are things?" This is a friendly, casual way to say, "How are you?"
Yes, it is very common. You can say, "How are you? How are things?" or "How is it going?"
And my answer was, "I am pretty good, thanks." Pretty good means you are happy and your day is going well. It is a very natural answer. Let's practice together.
Yes. Listeners, I want you to repeat after me. Speak out loud. I am pretty good.
Perfect. You sounded great. Notice we say thanks instead of thank you because it is informal and faster. Now, let's listen to that interaction one more time. Focus on the rhythm. It goes up and down like a song.
Hi, Roxy. How are things?
Oh, hi, John. I am pretty good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Good job. You are improving already. That was our first interaction. See? It is not scary. You are doing great.
Now, let's imagine you are talking to a colleague, a neighbor, or a friend. You want to ask about their day. This is a very important skill because it shows you care. Let's listen to how we do that. Hey, John, how is your day going?
It is a bit busy, but it is going well. How about you?
Oh, my day is great. I just had a really nice coffee.
Okay, this is useful. Roxy asked, "How is your day going?" This is a fantastic question to ask anyone. It is better than, "How are you?" because it is more specific.
And John answered, "It is a bit busy, but it is going well." A bit busy means you have a lot of work to do, but you are okay. It is a very honest and common answer.
Let's practice that phrase. It is a great one for your English tool belt. Repeat after me. It is a bit busy.
Good. And John asked, "How about you?" This is the best way to return the question. Instead of repeating, "How is your day going?" you just say, "How about you?"
Exactly. It keeps the conversation flowing. It shows you care about the other person. Listeners, repeat. How about you?
Excellent. You are learning how to have a real conversation, not just a textbook conversation. Let's listen to that part again. Remember, imagine you are the one speaking. Feel the confidence. Hey, John, how is your day going?
It is a bit busy, but it is going well. How about you?
Oh, my day is great. I just had a really nice coffee.
You are doing a fantastic job. You're building your conversation muscle. Every time you practice, you get stronger.
Now let's talk about the most popular topic in the world, the weather. It is the king of small talk. If you don't know what to say, talk about the weather. It is safe and easy.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is so sunny and warm. I love it.
Me too. It is a perfect day to go for a walk. Okay, this is classic. I said, nice weather today, isn't it? The little question at the end, isn't it, is a very English way to invite the other person to agree with you. It makes the conversation friendlier.
You can use this for anything. Nice coffee, isn't it? Great lesson, isn't it? It is a magic phrase. Let's practice. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Good, and Roxy answered, yes, it is. It is so sunny and warm. Sunny and warm are great adjectives for a good day. My quick example, my quick breakfast is a banana, so I eat it while I look at the sunny weather.
I love that, John. It is a very real example. It sounds like a perfect morning. Listeners, let's listen to the weather talk one more time.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is so sunny and warm. I love it.
Me too. It is a perfect day to go for a walk.
You are doing amazing. See? Small talk is not scary at all. You're doing great. You are really getting the hang of this.
Finally, we have to finish the conversation. You can't just walk away. You need a polite way to say goodbye. This is called closing the conversation. If you just stop talking, it feels a bit strange, right? So we need a bridge to end.
Oh, I have to go now, John.
No problem. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
See you later.
Okay, this is the finish line. I said, I have to go now. This tells the person you need to leave. It is polite and direct.
And I said, it was nice talking to you. This is the most polite, friendly thing you can say at the end of a conversation. It shows respect. It makes the other person feel good. Let's practice. It was nice talking to you.
Beautiful. You have a lovely accent when you practice like that. And finally, have a great day. We say this to almost everyone we talk to. It is warm, supportive, and kind.
Let's listen to the goodbye one last time.
Oh, I have to go now, John.
No problem. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
See you later. That's it. You have just practiced the whole cycle of small talk. You can greet, chat, discuss the weather, and say goodbye. You are improving already. I am very proud of you.
You have done a brilliant job today. Remember, English is about connection. It is not about being perfect with your grammar. It is about sharing a moment with someone. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That is how we learn.
Here is your quick recap of the phrases you learned today. 1. How are things? A casual greeting. 2. I am pretty good, thanks. A natural answer. 3. How is your day going? A great way to ask about someone's life. 4. It is a bit busy. An honest answer when you have work to do. 5. Nice weather today, isn't it? The perfect small talk opener. 6. It was nice talking to you. The polite way to finish a chat.
Now, we want to hear from you. We have a fun community question to build our connection. We know you are all different, and that is what makes our communities so special.
We want to know about your small talk style. Tell us in the comments. Who was the last person you had a small talk conversation with? Was it a friend, a coworker, or maybe someone at a shop?
Yes, tell us who you spoke to and if you used any of the phrases we practiced today. Did you talk about the weather? Did you ask about their day? Write it in the comments below.
It is the best way to practice. Don't worry about spelling, just write your sentence. Thank you so much for joining us on English for All today. You put in the work, and your English is getting stronger every minute.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep smiling. You are doing great, and we believe in you. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.